Oh, hey, didn't see there. Listen, today I'm going to make it really quick and simple. Buster's got a vibration. Pretty sure one of the tires are unbalanced. Guess what? We'll walk you through really quick, painless. We're going to get these tires off, take them to the tire shop, let them balance them. So, let's do it. Hey fellas, PV2 Smurf here. PV2 Smurf here. PV2 Smurf here. Oh fellas, PV2 Smurf here. First step, like anything else, is break these loose before we jack it up. I got a good, nice little cordless end pack here, which I really like this specific one. No complaints about it thus far. But first thing I'm gonna do is break them loose. I got a breaker bar. I can do just the same. As you can tell here by looking, got my site supervisor. So all we're gonna do is break them loose. Then we're going to find some jack point underneath it. Then we're going to set our jack stands on it. We're going to take the tires off. Pretty simple, right? Let's time lapse it. Just a really quick piece of advice. If you're doing the front tires like I am, make sure you pull the emergency brake, because the back tire is what's going to hold it, or scotch your tires. But leaving it in gear, not going to help. Just a little FYI for you.
Lost out on that highway once again. Road signs, they can't tell me what direction I'm moving in. Thumb is up, but my head is down. Watching every step, my feet hit the ground. Walking the line gets hard every now and then. I think about my family, I think about my home. Think about the loves I've had that have already gone. A cold wind blows right through me, it cuts me to the bone, like a word that you said to me the last time that I saw home.
Really quick, another little pro tip. So I'm jacking up both sides. One thing you don't want to do is put it on this jack and then go to the other side. Because if you do that and you're going to take this tire off and this thing goes to fall or shift on that jack, the car come crashing down. So I just left these two in here. You can leave one, just something to hold the wheel on there a little bit in case it falls. It'll compress on the wheel and it won't hit the ground. It's a little life pro tip. Don't get excited, pull one side off, go to the other side, because never had it happen on the vehicle, but had it happen on the trailer a couple of times where it went shifted and fell off. So do that. Now we got both of them off the ground. One, as you can see, I do have a jack stand over here. Here's two. Now we just take them off. There you go, get gas, right? Especially when you come by a price like that. All right, everybody, quick tip. Well, you got these get your tires off. Run through and feel these grooves in. Does it look funny? Is it cracked? Is it wore out? Don't just check the front, check the back. I know some you only have a little small section, you reach the back. Get bad boys out. How do those feel? They feel bad. You already got all this stuff off. Take that caliper off and replace it. Another thing you need to check is your ball joints and tie rods. Those are pretty simple to check. I'm going to show you how. There's 90. Reference says 95. Let's do 95. Five's kind of wore off a little bit on my torque wrench. I'm gonna lock it.
Yeah, that was the last time. That was the last time that I saw home.
Note to oneself, it's a lot easier to torque when the tires are on the ground or the vehicle's in gear.
Yeah, that was the last time. Well, that was the last time that I saw home.
Another good rule of thumb. While you already got the torque wrench out, it's already set. Go ahead and check your other remaining tires. Make sure they're good.
Every set of headlights, memories come and go. But nowadays I have to close my eyes to see the faces that I know. I know you won't
Going over to the other side, shall we?
forgive me for the things I've done to you, 'cause I haven't heard a word from you in at least a year or two. Years ago.
While you're at it, go ahead and check the air pressure in them tires. You already at it, correct? In case you didn't know, you open the driver door. Inside the driver door jamb, there's always a sticker. And on this sticker right here, it will tell you air pressure that goes inside your vehicle, what factory size tires, spare tire, and how much air goes in each one of them. So Buster's case, it's 34, spare 60. So as you can see at this door right here, it's measuring, we'll say 12 inches roughly. I'm going to pick up on this door, and then you'll see that it's got a lot of slop in it. As we can see, it's a little over 12. See there, it goes all the way up to 13, give or take a little bit. As you can see, you'll see some more slack in this door right here and this hinge where it's wore out. So when I go to shut this door, the door catches. As you can see, I've replaced this previously, and just so you know, this outside seal here, they don't manufacture it anymore. So I had to come off a used car, which is fine. But you can see right here how it's starting to pull down right here on this seal. Same way as the other one. This was pulled all the way down and then like this. That's the reason I replaced it. It's ripped. But as you can see, also on this door, a witness mark on this door right here where it's rubbing, where this right here is sagging down, where this door is sagging. But it's ours, so we're going to change that. So I'm going to prep these. Toby said he's going to paint them. Color that he picked out. This is the one he picked out. I always buy paint and primer mixed together, though I have a can of primer. I've used this on multiple projects in the past. I used it on the Toyota we rebuilt the engine for. Used it on the trailer, the boat trailer we converted. Used the same paints, works really well. The issue is Buster is gray, as you know, and these hinges come off a blue car, which I don't know if they're dirty or what, but some of them are not really a dark blue, which could be witness to the vehicle itself. Maybe that door wasn't open and used as much. Either which way, we're going to paint these. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get me a pair of gloves so I don't get dust all over me. Get me something to cover my mouth with. And I'm just going to use a red scuff pad. The red and green, the difference, I have no idea. I'm not a paint person. Just going to scuff these up, wipe them down with rubber and alcohol, and then Toby's going to shoot the paint to it. Let's go. Let me start off by saying I'm not by any means a paint technician or paint correction or a paint and body person at all. I'll leave that to the professionals. But for something like this is what we're going to do.
Headlights, memories come and go. But nowadays I have to close my eyes to see the faces that I know. I know you won't forgive me for the things I've done to you, 'cause I haven't heard a word from you in at least a year or two. Years that go by so fast, days that go by slow. Ever since I slammed that door the last time that I saw home. Yeah, that was the last time. Well, that was the last time that I saw home. Yeah, time that I saw home.
So the first thing you want to know is how do I go about getting that door hinge? Well, it's pretty simple. Open the front door all the way. Might want to disconnect your battery just to be safe. Once you open this front door here, if you look right there's our hinge. You can reach all four because there's two hinges, top and bottom. There's one on this door. The one on this door, you can reach it just perfectly. Right here's the bolt for it. Some of these I've seen have Torx bits on them. You might want to get one of them if you got one of those to change it. So as you can see, we're just going to leave this door shut. We can access all these fasteners right here, and we're going to take these off, mount the new ones on. Best I found is a 12. Half inch seems to be not enough. Seems to be way too big. 7/16 is too small. 12 seems to fit, which is odd. This car's odd. Some of the things are standard, some are metric. Yada yada. Won't get into that debate. It's not like it's a Chevrolet or whatever. But anyway, a 12 is what fits. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to zip them off. So the back one seemingly is going to be the easier one. So I'm going to time lapse it and we're going to take them off. On these hinges specifically, the 12, there's a 12 that fits these bolts here. The one that actually goes into the rear door located back in here. I'll get you a better view. There's one located right here. That one's a 13, so they're different sizes. They're also different because you get them mixed up. These are shorter bolts, and I'll take them off and show you right quick. Two of these go on into the pillar of the car. This one goes into the door. See the difference? And the length. So that way you won't get them confused. Now this one seems to be decently good. It's got a little bit of tension, you can see here. But this one come off the top. This one has absolutely zero tension right there. Push it my finger. This one's either oiled really well or wore out. I assume it's wore out. Just like that, the door should open and close just right. Let's try it. Look there. Look up here, it ain't even rubbing no more. Nice, 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 yeah.